Hello, my name is Ms. Spencer, and welcome to the Module 12 Overview, a guide for teachers. Today, we will be diving a little bit deeper into Module 12, a genre study, and talking about what makes it different from the other modules in the HMH Interreading curriculum. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. As mentioned before, Module 11 and 12 are genre studies. Module 12 focuses on the fiction genre. The timeline of this module is 15 days, which are broken up into 3 weeks. Week 1 focuses on realistic fiction. Week 2 focuses on play, which includes poetry, and Week 3 focuses on mystery. Each week, students choose between 2 engaging projects that guide them to write in the genre. Project 1 is to write a children's picture book, and Project 2 is to write a survival story. Teachers are encouraged to have their students pick one of these projects throughout the module in order to get practice in writing in the genre. The module also includes genre anchor charts that help students focus on the genre's key characteristics. At the beginning of Module 12, there is also a KWL chart that teachers are encouraged to fill out with their students to gather their prior knowledge, and a letter sent home to families that outline the key ideas taught in Module 12. The module also includes small group materials, which have guided reading group texts and posters to help reinforce the realistic fiction genre features. Also in the module, you will find independent reading material such as reading logs. There are also materials to have students start their own book clubs independently. The module also includes guided reading coaching cards to help assist with small group work. As always, the complimentary writing lessons, slide decks, and digital notebooks are also available in TeachHub that accompany Module 12's reading lessons. Let's take a look at the Week 1 overview for Module 12, with our essential question being, what are the characteristics of fiction texts? Lesson 1 is a genre study of realistic fiction texts as an overview. Lesson 2 and 3 focus on literary elements. Lesson 4 is about author's craft, and Lesson 5 is a synthesis day where students present the projects they picked at the beginning of the module. The learning mindset for Module 12 is resilience. The Week 1 mentor text is Alyssa's diary. This text is also used in Module 8 and New Home. Let's take a closer look at Lesson 1 of Module 12. This is a sample slide of what you could project to your students in order to outline the goals of Lesson 1 and also present the realistic fiction poster that is included in the module. We are going to focus on the second bullet point today. Analyze text for characteristics of realistic fiction. Here are the 2 questions that we are going to model. How do characters, setting, and events like those in paragraph 58 on page 204 make the story more real? And question 2, how does the author use sensory language to establish mood? What does this look like in the classroom? First, you want to make sure you have an excerpt of the page that your student will be focusing on. You also want to highlight the question. Here's our question and our excerpt. Now I'm going to think aloud. Focus on the specific paragraph, and then reread the paragraph out loud. She put away the notebook, got dressed, and headed for work. When she entered the classroom, her students looked at her, some shy, some confused, some scared. She saw those sad, preliminary first day of school expressions that she knew so well. What do I know about realistic fiction? After thinking out loud, then you want to present the answer. Real students react in the same way to the first day of school. You might want to ask your students if their answers or their thinking were similar to yours. Let's try the second question. On this question, we made sure to have the page and the question listed so students know exactly what they will be focusing on as they reread the text. How does the author use sensory language to establish mood? Let me look for sensory language or words that make me make a mental image. Then I would underline the words. Now I can present my answer. The author establishes the feel of the classroom by describing the reactions of the different students as they look at Alyssa when she enters the room. Shy, confused, scared, etc. Making sure that students know where their sensory language is and how you answer the question. For independent work, students are asked to go on a scavenger hunt and record all the characteristics they find throughout the week. Thank you for learning with me today, and I hope this helped. If you want to learn together in the future, click the link in the description or enter this website into your Google URL search bar. Have a great day.